Flashback 2019, Pi Network. Okay, 2019 when Pi Network started with beta phase 1. This was the initial phase where Pi Network was launched and users start mining Pi. Imagine guys, Pi started with 1.6 rate. 1.6 mining rate per hour. Per hour. Phase 2, this is the phase when the Pi Core team tested the blockchain and consensus mechanism. These were the Pi Day, where the Pi Day happens, when they tested the ecosystem and told the public to make dApps, decentralized apps. Phase 3 and closed mainnet phase. This is the current phase where the network is transitioning to a fully functional blockchain. Phase 4, the last phase, open mainnet phase. This is what are the pioneers waiting for. In the final phase, where Pi will be fully accessible to the public and tradable on the external exchanges. So, after this open mainnet, the Pi Core team has no longer hold what will happen to Pi's price. It will adjust on its own automatically depending on the market and how people use PiCoin. Did you remember the fourth phase? Fourth phase is the open mainnet. So look at this one. I went to Facebook and went to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, our central bank in the Philippines. He said that in July 1, Nexus, Project Nexus, Phase 4, launch and signing ceremony held at Basel, Switzerland. So I asked AI to summarize the context of this post. Project Nexus is a collaborative effort between central banks and payment operators, system operators, to allow seamless connection between different countries, instant payment system. Phase 4 of the project, addition to Reserve Bank of India, world's largest IPS. So IPS, I search IPS on the next clip. Nexus is designed to standardize way domestic IPS connect, receive payments across borders. So what is IPS? So IPS, domestic instant payment system. It is like this. In India, it is called Unified Payments Interface. Singapore, PayNow. Thailand, PromptPay, and in the Philippines, InstaPay. If you're using BPI, Bank of the Philippine Islands, they call it InstaPay. You will see it InstaPay. That's the IPS that they are saying here. And if you look again in this HTML code in GitHub by Kosahi, Pi Nexus Autonomous Banking Network. So what is Nexus that they are saying in Pi Network? What is Nexus? So what is Nexus? This is the perfect term for me that I saw. Hub, a central device that connects multiple devices in a network, like this picture right here. Pi connecting everyone and businesses, financial system. It's payment system of the world. Just hang in there guys.